On this video today, I'm going to show you another easy method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner wherever you are in the world. This method does not require any investment, it does not require any experience, it does not require any skills. Everything is simple, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to find an affiliate network to join. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join JVZoo and any other affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is one of the best affiliate networks that you can join and then find a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. Most of the affiliate networks have restrictions, but on Digistore24, there are no restrictions. Wherever you are in the world, you can promote any product that you want and then earn a commission once you get a sale. So set for Digistore24. Once you set for Digistore24, you have to create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, the next step is that you have to find an offer to promote so that you can earn money. To find an offer, click on Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find an offer to promote. As I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote. There are many of them, so when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. Select a specific category that you want and then get an offer that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. There are many of them. All that you need to do is that you have to select the one that you want. If you want a specific category of products, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see product categories. Click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see specific category of products and the digital products. You can see they have animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, family and children, fashion, fiction and many others. There are a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different categories that you can click on to find an offer to promote. If you want physical products, you can click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, you can select skincare so that you can find products under skincare to promote, or you can click on food supplements. Once you click on food supplements, there are a whole lot of different food supplements that you can promote to make money from home. So just select any offer that you want. In this case, I have a specific product that I want to promote. So what you have to do is that you have to select the one that you want. All of you are not supposed to promote the product that I'm promoting. You can select a different offer and then use this same method to make money from home. In my case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see Prodentin. It is one of the best products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see the card conversion rate is good. The commission rate is also good. So anytime you promote it, there's a likelihood that you get people to purchase it and you are going to be earning a lot of money per day. You can see if you are able to get 2 sales per day, that means you're going to be earning $260 plus. If you are able to get 10 sales per day, that means you are going to be getting $1,300 plus. So it depends on the number of sales that you get per day. The card conversion tells us that you can get a lot of sales per day. You can see it is 24%. That means if you get clicks, about 24% of those clicks are going to convert to sales. So you can see it right here. You must find a targeted traffic source. You have to target the right country. You have to target the right category so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then make a purchase for you to make money. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. The next step is that you have to click on the sales page so that you can see the landing page of the product. Most products have good landing pages. Others also have boring landing pages. So always make sure that you check the landing page of the product so that you can get more information about it. If the landing page of the product is no good, that means you are not going to be getting people to purchase the product for you to make money. Assuming a customer click on your affiliate link and then see this page, you can see there are a whole lot of different information available to them so that they can read and then make a purchase for you to make money. You can see it is FDA approved, and then when you scroll down, there are many other information. It is a dental product. It helps people to maintain healthy teeth and gums. When you scroll down, you can see the ingredients that they use to make the product. You can see the bonuses. When you scroll down, you can see testimonials of people who have purchased the product. When you scroll further, you can see the different packages of the product. When you scroll down, you can see there is money back guarantee. So if your potential customers purchase the product and they are not satisfied with the results, they can return it within 60 days and then take their money. When you scroll down, you can see the frequently asked questions. So if your potential customers want, they can click on any of these questions and then get the answer. Once they are able to understand what the product is about and how it can help them, they can go ahead and then click right here, order now. Once they click on it, enter their payment details, you are going to be earning $130.63 per every sale that you get. It is just simple as that. All that you need to do is that you have to find the right people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. Once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. You have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on promote now, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied onto your clipboard. The next step is that you have to get people to click on it and then make the pages for you to make money. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get the right people to click on your affiliate link for you to make money without investing anything. The traffic source that we're going to be using in this tutorial is findermaster.com. Findermaster is one of the best websites where you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see they are available in the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. These countries are tier 1 countries. They are countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the products that you are promoting so that you can make money from home. When you scroll down, you can target any city that you want. You can see in the United States, these are the cities that you can target. When you scroll down further, you can see Australia, these are the cities that you can target. Canada, these are the cities that you can target. United Kingdom, these are the cities that you can target. If you want India, you can see the cities and many other locations. So what you have to do is that you have to join this website so that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. To join the website, click right here, my account. Once you click on it, you have to follow the prompt so that you can create your free accounts and then begin to post your ads. Once you create your accounts and log in, click right here, publish your ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down. So scroll down to the button and then click right here, individual ad. That is the type of ad. Select individual. Once that is done, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the category. You have to select the category that you want. The product that you are promoting is under the health category. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, health. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see title and description. So you have to enter the title of your ad and then a description. What I usually do is that I use ChatGPT to write my ad title and a description. But if you want, you can write it by yourself. It depends on whatever that you want. So what you have to do is that you have to come on ChatGPT. Once you come on ChatGPT, you have to type a prompt like this. Write a compelling ad description for ProDentim supplement. Once that is done, click right here, send, so that it will write an ad description and a title for you. You can see it is writing everything. You can see brighten your smile and boost your health with ProDentim. So this is an ad title and this is the description. When you scroll down, you can see this is the full description. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste all this information in your ad. So first of all, highlight and then copy the title. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to come on your ad and then paste the title here. Once you paste it, you have to come back. Once you come back, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, copy the description. Once you copy it, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the description, the next step is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing address. So you have to enter your address, but it is optional. You can see it is optional. Just leave it and then click on continue. Once that is done, you can see the price. You have to enter the price of the product that you are promoting. First of all, you have to select the currency. In this case, it is in dollars. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on Digits 24. Once you come back, you can see this is the price of the product. So come back on your ad and then enter the same price. Enter the same price, $184. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you have to enter your contact information. So enter your name, enter your email address. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see company name. Click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see select add region. What you have to do is that you have to select the country that you are targeting and then a region. So click right here. Once you click on select a country, you have to select the United States. So scroll down and then select United States. Once that is done, you can select the region. So let's select any location in the United States. So just select any location that you want. Once you select it, you can select the city. Just select any city that you want. There are many cities. Just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select Denver. So let's look for Denver. You can see it right here, select it. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see you have to add your ad images. You have to upload images of the product that you are promoting. So just come on Google and then search for the name of the product so that you can find images of the product that you are promoting. So let's search for ProDentim. Let's search for ProDentim. So let's search for ProDentim images. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, images. Once you click on it, you can see the images. Select any of the images that you want and then download it. To download an image, right click on it, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that you can save the image that you want to download. You can download as many images as you want and then use them on your ad. Once you download your images, click right here so that you can upload the images that you downloaded. Once that is done, select your images, just select them. Once you select them, click on open so that you can upload your images. Once you upload your images, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see phone number. If you want, you can enter your mobile number right here. If you want to enter your phone number, you can enter it right here. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to enter your website URL. So this is where you have to enter your affiliate link. So come back on Digits 24. Once you come back, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, the next step is that you have to come back. Once you come back, paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to enter a video link. If you have any YouTube video of the product, you can paste the link here. But in this case, we don't have any video. So click right here, continue. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to enter your Facebook URL. So if you have a Facebook page, you can enter the URL right. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, submit, so that you can submit your ad onto the platform. Once you click on submit, your ad has been submitted. It is now waiting for review. Once they review it, it is going to be available on the website so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. Apart from this website, the next website that you can post your ad for free is postlister.com. Postlister.com. On this website, you can post your ad to people who live in India or any place around the world. You can see you can post to people in India, you can post worldwide. It depends on the location that you want, and the best part is that it is free. You are not required to pay for anything. So all that you need to do is that you have to create an account. Once you create an account, click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you can be able to post a free ad to any place that you want without paying for anything. So make sure you go and take action, select different products, post them under different categories so that you can get people to purchase the products for you to make money. This is a free method. Many people are competing, so you have to make sure that you work hard so that you can get the result that you desire. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.